Hello friends, I am Aditya and I am going to show some rare and interesting facts about hummingbird. Do you know hummingbirds are the smallest migrating birds? The hummingbird name comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat fast. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward, forward and upside down. Do you know hummingbirds have no sense of smell? Do you know an interesting fact about hummingbird? They flap their wings 70 wings beat per second, which is 4,000 wing beats per minute. If you want to see some more rare and exciting facts about birds and animals, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.